Lesson 11-1 Integers, and in this lesson you learn to identify, name, and graph integers. When are you ever going to use this? Knowing about integers can help you express temperatures. Okay, words that we're going to learn in this lesson are integer, positive integer, negative integer, and opposite. Okay, so each March, a dog sled race called the Iditarod is held between Anchorage and Nome, Alaska. During this time of the year, the average daytime high temperature for Anchorage is 34 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the racers and their dogs can face temperatures as low as 30 degrees below zero. So you can write 30 degrees below zero as negative 30. So the numbers 34 and negative 30 are integers. An integer is any number from the set of negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, where the three dots mean continues without end. So integers that are greater than 0 are called positive integers. Integers that are less than 0 are called negative integers. But let me just give you a better definition of what an integer is. Okay, an integer is, okay, integers, redo that, make it thinner. So when you say the set of integers, okay, set of integers is a set of whole numbers and their opposites. Opposites, that's an E, including 0. So if you can read my handwriting, the set of integers is a set of whole numbers and their opposites, including 0. So this is not really a good definition. I suggest you take my definition down. Okay, so integers that are greater than 0 are called positive integers. Integers that are less than 0 are called negative integers. Okay, so your positive integers will be on this part of the number line. Your negative integers will be on this part of the number line. 0 itself is neither positive nor negative, and that's the reason why we include that in our definition. You can show positive and negative numbers on a number line as shown below. Okay, and that is our set of integers. You have negative integers are written with a negative sign, and positive integers can be written with a positive sign or simply without a positive sign. If it doesn't have a positive sign, it is understood that it is an integer. Sorry, a positive integer. So you can graph integers on a number line by drawing a dot. So negative 5 drawn graphed on a number line is simply you have the number line and dot on top of negative 5. Remember, it's not on over the number line or under the number line. It's supposed to be on the number line. Okay, so we want to graph positive 2 on the number line. Again, we have the number line, simply put a dot over positive 2. So geography, write an integer to describe each situation. The Dead Sea is 1,300 feet below sea level. And let's say for a fact that sea level, okay, sea level is R0. So therefore 1,312 feet below sea level is actually negative 1,312. Okay, Mount Everest is 29,028 feet above sea level. So when you talk about if this is our sea level right here, 0 is our sea level. Anything below sea level is negative. Okay, anything above sea level will be positive, and that's the reason why we have negative 1,312 for the Dead Sea. Okay, and for Mount Everest, since it's above sea level, we make it a positive 29,028, or simply 29,028 without a positive sign. Okay, and let's take a look at what an opposite is. Each integer has an opposite, and remember the definition that you wrote down. Opposite integers are the same distance from 0 in opposite directions on the number line. 0 is considered to be the starting point of our number line. So we want to find the opposite of each integer. So negative 4, okay? And if we look at our number line, 0 is the starting point. And since we have positive 4, sorry, if I said negative 4, if I say positive 4, right, that means it's 4 units to the right of our number line. So the opposite of positive 4 will be 4 units to the left of our number line, which is negative 4. So the opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. And let's take a look at the opposite of negative 3. So again, negative 3 is 3 units to the left of our number line. So the opposite of negative 3 is 3 units to the right of our number line, or positive 3. So the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. Okay? And that's our lesson. Our secret word would be sons. The secret word would be sons. Thank you for watching.